Well people, good morning and welcome back to a fresh YouTube video. Did you enjoy yesterday's one? Let's get some likes on it. It's doing well, that one. Appreciate that, guys. Right, plan of action for today. I think we've got a chap bringing an old Fiesta. I don't think it's that shape. I think it's the same as our Luke's over the 04 Reg. He's bringing that to us for scrap at 10:30. And we've got a 59 plate Citroen C2 to pick up. John's coming over for the 207 diesel over there. Don't know what time it's coming. I did have some more footage of the transit of his tranny, but it deleted for some reason, wasn't sure. But obviously we didn't have it running in the last video. But as you can see, it is a level van. I need to get my eBay back up though, boys. It's a pain in the arse. But apart from that, we've still got 1, 2, 3, and probably end up crushing that as well, to go into the yard. So it's going to my mum and dad's now for a quick brew and a bit of brekkie, then we're going to crack on. So I'll see you shortly. Right folks, Colin's nipped over from the French Connection Spares. Him and our Luke are sorting the Peugeot out now. Can't beat the old Sprinter truck. The clutch is real. I drove this back from Coleman, the clutch is right at the top, as you can see. I might have to winch this one on. I have to winch this one on, Colin. I only just got back from Colin in that. Yeah, right, yeah. Oh, someone's got the racing pigeons out there, boys. The enemy. I don't know if you can see them over there. Yeah, so we're getting this on now. We've got the chap coming in a minute with the Fiesta as well. And we're going to get that over. 59 plate C2, guys. These boys got that as well, I think. So go. Just need some more cars. Right, see you shortly. Oh, by the way, people, I've got to do a couple of shout outs before I get shouted at again. I'm only joking. I want to give a shout out to Ian Simmons and his wife Carol. Hope you have a good day, you two. And Reece Stewart, there you go, pal. Have a shout out for you, mate. Thanks for subscribing. Also, what I'm going to do, my missus is on Facebook, Leanne's Personalised Gifts, if you want to check her out. She does all cups and all that sort of stuff, you know. She makes all that stuff, printing and vinyl and all that carry on. Personalised gifts. These are the cups. 1 second. Can't do it one hand. Right, give me 2 seconds, I'll be back with you. Right, back again. These are the cups that she's made. This was going out. This was going to the lad at EMR, Liam, who looks after us on the cars when he's sorting them out. But I've got one for John as well, which is getting sent out. Getting sent out today. So hopefully we'll be getting one day next week. So there we are. What do I reckon, guys? I'm going to start putting them on my eBay. If anyone's interested, when I get it back on, and I can leave a link if you want. If you're interested, to buy them, I don't know if you will be or not, but I won't get the money. My missus will end up with it all. But if you're interested, I've got one for you as well, Lee. Don't worry, pal. That's going over to Rochdale for you as well. So, job's a good one. Right, see you soon. Well, people, in the meantime, Luke's done this Corsa ready to go into the yard. Just while we're waiting for this chap to turn up. Genuine cat, and it's one of them with the flat front one, not the round barrel one. Bit of a ball ache to get off, but as you can see, it's all exposed there. We haven't got a 10mm this side, the long one, so it's a borrow from yard. So hopefully that might be a 1.5. The price of scrap has actually gone up a bit, you know, steel. So that's a good thing. Spare alley wheel we chucked in just to bump it up. And so basically that Corsa left, that KA left, and the green Fezzy. Whilst Luke uses that one. That's about it. Right, let's get these ramps out, people. Let's get it winched on. Well guys, how Luke's been silly and he not put no fuel in the wagon.
Don't blame me.
He was the last one to drive it. Now my big brother Billy has to tour with his old Peugeot.
Tour us at Gary's.
With a car on the back.
Run out. The first time this ever.
Now we're going to try to bump it. And now she's away again, boys. We'll have to put 40 quid in now. They're just too bloody tight, that's what it is.
£1.54 a litre here. Away now though. Only needed a bit of a drag.
He's come to rescue us, our Bill. Right, let's get to the yard.
We're back at EMR, boys and girls. He's got his cup. They're having a dance off, these two. Loving life. Absolutely loving it. Are you doing this one, Dino?
Whatever, I'll do everything then, don't I?
You do know everything, yeah?
Use your hard on.
Have the hard on. Put your hard on. Get him to unstrap all that. I'll just let the winch out for him. Second, people. There's a mountain of scrap there. Ooh, man, that one over there. Big plate and girder on, or that one there. Cuttings. But non-ferrous should be even better, really. Full of copper. Put it on with seat belt. Can't see out here.
Got it?
1 minute. So on then, go on, right. I'll leave you to it. Let Dean get cold out there. Just started to sleet. Audi A3. Don't see many of them on the road anymore. It's a good thing. I think it's a bad thing. He's made up with him. He's had his cup. Right, we'll get his car and we'll get it paid. See you soon.
Right, well, we've put the Citroen on. We've spotted these old vans here. Look what that is, an old all-wheel drive TL814 H-Reg. Another CDR Sprinter Luton. Old Merc Estate and an old Saab. Been led up for ages. So we're just going to sticker them up now. Because I think they are developing on this land. There's a sign over there saying development ready or something.
You never know, it might come off.
You never know, do you? What's that? What is this? Look like that green and a Merc?
No, that green and's
it says TL, I don't know.
Bedford, I think.
Was it Bedford?
All-wheel drive, 814.
Straight in the bin.
I actually think they're an export, but
yeah.
Yeah, to 8 to EMR. That's a 313, that is.
Is it?
That's
But
on that. Old Saab.
Yeah, we'll show you the Fiesta we picked up as well. It's only an 04 plate one, but
yeah, I mentioned that earlier on there.
did you?
Yeah. Said we were driving, weren't it?
Yeah, come and drove, so hopefully we'll get that. The nice town of Sabden.
It's nice down here.
Nice, a bit out of our price range. I don't think they'd like a load of still sawn and scrap cars laid up back of the
Back round here.
But anyway, right, so we're going to go to church now, boys. Right, see you back at home.
Welcome back, people. Friday morning. Chris is back with us. Not doing much though, we've just got him moving a few cars about. Fiesta's going in scrap pile. We offered it to, on YouTube video if anyone wanted the engine out of it, but no one's got back in touch. 1 minute, make sure you don't hit Dean's car. Go on, Chris, right, straighten up. Go on. Go on. What? Shut up. Side of that, KA. That's my new wagon. Getting an MOT on that one. Blue one's parked up round there for a bit.
Someone's coming for the custom
The
van.
custom.
So fingers crossed to buy that. Whoa, I wanted that!
Oh, he's mental, him. Got to sell a new push iron, hasn't he, Chris?
Yeah.
New push iron. Where are they coming from? Sheffield, Dean?
Sheffield, the boys, I think, yeah.
Sorry about that, people. Back to it flat on camera. I have to plug it into a power bank with a wire on. As I was saying, like I say, these cars are all also going to get weighed in. We've had an influx of Fords, haven't we?
Yeah.
John,
We have got an Astra to pick up next week, haven't we?
yeah, an Astra from Barnoldswick. John come for the C2, sorry, diesel C2 yesterday. So he's just been to pick that up this morning. That one we picked up yesterday. I'd like to give a shout out to Gary and John in Stacksteads, my dad's mates. They've been watching us. Cheers lads, get subscribed, make sure you are. That's about it really, isn't it, Dean?
Yeah, we'll see if we can video these when we've
yeah,
turned up.
when this picks up, and see if we get a top recovery truck alright. Like I say, that one's getting the test on it. Not else to do, is it really?
Not a minute, no.
But Friday
No,
job.
forget a phone call.
Phone call for stuff. We've got everyone's quiet. If you've got any old cars and you're around Lancashire area, not too far away from us, and you want to sell them, get in touch with us. We love it.
Yeah, we'll travel about and meet you.
We'll come and meet you. If it's a good car, it's right enough, we'll give you a cup, eh?
My wife's making some more cups as well if anyone wants one.
Dean's eBay was on again, then been took off again. So he's going to get all that organised. Then we might get some merchandise made and put on his eBay. And then we'll just tell you when it's on. You can look through his eBay and we'll give you a link to it then.
If you're interested.
If you're interested. You let us know what we should have made. We're thinking jumpers and cups and stuff like that. Maybe
Bob hat or something.
Bob hat or a cap or something like that. Tea coasters, anything like that. Key rings. So
She has got some key rings ready.
key rings are already ready. So anyway, we'll be they'll be on eBay for you, and we'll let you know when they go on. So just keep looking through stuff. Right, people, we're back with you soon.
Right, people, the Transit Customs sold has gone to Sheffield. So that's another one gone. We're just on our way to Troden now at the back end of Colne to pick another Transit up now, a Mark 7 and an 07 reg. I think it's just a 2.2. It's done a while, said it runs and drives, but the brakes have gone on it, brake failure. So we're going to have a deal with this and see what it's like when we get there, people. So I just thought I'd let you know. See you when we get there. Right, people, we're back at my house now. This is a Transit we've picked up. We've already sold it before it even hit the ground, people. 57 reg. No brakes on it though, so Luke's going to take this steady. Got windows inside here, we haven't even routed it or anything yet. But a friend of mine from Wiggins bought it. Picking it up tomorrow at 10:30. Done 200 odd thousand, right, but he's only braking it. Engine sounds alright. What's it back? Any seat? There's a seat back as well.
True one, yeah. Couple of seats in.
Off miles on it.
228, 244. I'll have a quick route round it with cameras, some bits we can't see.
Is it? But yeah, it's a quite level van, but like I say, it's up on the miles, no brakes, and it needs welding.
Full Ford.
No special though.
String line.
Gun line. Short line.
Short line.
Oh, we do a lot of roofing, don't we?
Slate ripper.
That'll do.
Mad what people leave in here, innit?
No, take camera.
Have a look round. It's where we build his tools up, put them in Sprinter. What else under there? Don't mind Dean's Golf. Don't mind your Golf. Not in there. Dip back into the other side, car. Sliding door, not opening. That's there, Dean. Dealer must
Oh, just for logbook.
fill in this section.
Yeah, it was just for logbook.
Some brick ties. That's 1 minute. Let's have a look. More shafts. Let's see if that one in here. I don't think there is, you know. Chisel, I think. Old chisel. Some old glasses. That's about it. Careful, look. That's about it, people. But yeah. Make go out for a camp, won't it? Windows in either side. Sliding open the windows. Emptying back. That's it all. Is that last one for today, Dean?
That's it for this video, isn't it?
So what have we got to do, mate?
Keep subscribing, people.
Liking.
Commenting.
Play with the bell.
No.
Ring your bell. And subscribe, like Dean said.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
We'll see you on the next one, people.
Have a good weekend.
Any questions, don't forget to ask. We will answer them. We might not, but you know what Dean's like. But anyway, have a good weekend, people.
Ta-ra.